another example. 3f equals to 4 minus 4e, 2e equals to 5f plus 15. So we are going to rearrange these equations by making the unknowns to be at the usual place, which is the left hand side. So let's move the unknowns to the left hand side. So we have 4e. 4e is coming here, will turn to minus 4e, will turn to plus 4e. So we have 4e plus 3f equals to 4. 2e, 5f is coming to the other side, turn to minus 5f. That's minus 5f equals to 15. Equation 1, equation 2. Looking at this equation vividly, as usual, we have two unknowns. Let's decide which of the unknowns we want to eliminate. So we can either eliminate E or F. To eliminate E, let's look at the coefficients of E. We have 4 and 2. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. There's 4 here already, so the only thing I have to change is this equation. The only thing I have to change is this 2. So how do I make 2 to become 4? I multiply 2 by 2. So let's multiply equation 2 by 2. So multiply equation 2 by 2. Now let's write the first equation, which is 4e plus 3f equals to 4. That's still our equation 1. So let's multiply equation 2 by 2. 2 times 2e, that's 4e, minus 2 times 5f, 10f, 2 times 15, that's 30. Equation 3. So equation 2 has transformed to equation 3, while our equation 1 is left the same way it is. So now we can see that the coefficients of E are now the same thing, 4 and 4. And 4 is the same as plus 4. So that's plus 4 here, plus 4 here. The signs are the same thing. Don't forget, when the signs are the same thing, we subtract. But when the signs are different, we add. So in this case, we are going to subtract. So you have equation 1 minus equation 3. So we have minus here. So 4e minus 4e, that one has been eliminated. 3f minus 10f. 3f minus will turn to plus. So we have 3f plus 10f. That's 13f. 4 minus 30. 4 minus 30 is minus 26. So that's minus 26. So you have f to be equals to minus 26 over 13. 13 here 1, 13 here 2. So the answer is minus 2. So f is equals to minus 2. From here, we are going to substitute f equals to minus 2 in any of these equations. So in this case, let's choose equation 2. So in 2, that's 2e minus 5 into brackets minus 2, which is equals to 15. 2e minus times minus plus 5 times 2, 10, equals to 15. So you have 2e equals to 10 is going to the other side. 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. So that's 2e to be equals to 15 minus 10 is 5. So that's e equals to, that's 5 over 2. So how many 2 will you see in 5? 2. Remainder 1/2. So that implies that E is equals to 2 whole number 1/2, and F is equals to -2, comma F equals to 2 whole number 1/2, comma -.